What happened? Yo, what they do, man? Hey, we in South Florida, Broward County with it. Today we're doing a BTS shoot. I'm here with a beautiful model. Let her know you in. Let her know you are.
My name is Dark Skin Barbie. Dark Skin Barbie. Follow me on Instagram. I model. I'm in video shoots. I do a lot. My booking agency is Book It with Gladys and JC with Dolls. Yep.
JC with Dolls. Don't forget, she love to travel too. She love to travel. She be everywhere. Try to keep up with her. You ain't gonna keep up with her. For this video today, we doing a behind the scenes of me using a Sony A7RV, 61 megapixels. Just like a test shoot. We out here on the beach. Y'all can see the view. We pairing it with the 35mm 1.4 G Master lens, off-camera flash, Godox V1, A1 Entertainment behind the scenes for video, shoot on the FX30. We finna get into it. Stuff like this, and then we'll incorporate like you laying on the tree and shit like that. Gonna make it look raw. I wanted to get some on the rocks, but since we couldn't get none on the rocks, we gotta make it do out here. All right, so you're gonna be doing like a pose, 1 foot back.
A quick vision tip. When you pose your model, make sure you create flattering angles within the body. You do not want your model looking flat. You don't make it seem like she's a stick. So, all of this is basically, making shapes such as triangles, as you can see here in the example, making triangles within the arms, making triangles within the legs, any way you can to give a appealing look to the viewer's eye. That's it. Just make it look good.
Give me a little bit more of the arch in the back, and then boom, it should be good. Yeah. That's how you do it. Break it down. Our shutter speed 200, f2, and we got 250 for the ISO. And right now she is underexposed. I'm exposing for the background because using off-camera flash. I'm just taking test photos right now. Go down to 125, and that should be perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's damn near about satisfied for me. All right, yep, so foot out, and then, yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I was about to tell you head up a little bit. Yeah, you got it though. We're gonna do some mid shots. So give me more of the same pose, but give me incorporate your left hand into it so we can see it. Yeah, so you can do something like that and graze your hand. Perfect. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Make sure they're clear. Hell yeah, perfect. Hold that. 3, 2, 1. Start looking.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah. Hey, so we just wrapped up the first shoot, or the first actual location. Right now we're gonna get closer, a little bit closer to the water, more by the sand, and get some more dynamic shots. Let's go. All right, so we right here by the water. For this shot, come on this side. As y'all can see, the sun is, you probably don't want to point it at that real. The sun is at a high noon right now, so I'm gonna have a backlit. So we're gonna backlit Kanara, aka Barbie. We're gonna have the sun like face this way. Like face it way. No, like turn around. It's that way, yeah. All right, so we're gonna have the sun hit her from the side, edge light, and then I'm gonna fill her in on the left side. Since this is the shadow side, then it should be like a nice 3D pop to get a model. So let's do it, let's get into it. All right, so yeah, boom, perfect. The right arm on there, and then the left arm back, yeah. And then give me more bend in the legs. Yeah, perfect, just like that, perfect. And then right now she's fully black. I'm gonna take a little test photo. Oh yeah, I can't see that. She's supposed to be fully black. I'm gonna turn it off. Take my ambient, make sure the background not blown out. And then I'm gonna show you a test photo. Now I'm gonna turn on my flash. We at full power, 250 of a second, 1.4. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. A little bit closer. That's damn near perfect though. A little bit closer. Right there. All right, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. A little bit closer. 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, and you can switch it up as we taking the shots now. So you can, whatever you're not a freestyle, but you want me to? Gotcha. All right, bet. I got you. Yeah. You see what you just did like that? Do something like that. Give me like a little QC type of thing. Yeah. And just make it a little sexy. A little sexy. As y'all can see, we got the edge light really highlighting her right now. If the sun will stay out and stop playing with me. Perfect. Ooh. Got that golden look. Boom, yeah, like that. Just keep creating angles with the body. Perfect. Part of the BTS. All right, yo, so we just got done with the shoot. It didn't go as planned, but you know, I'm gonna still bring out the best content because that's what I do. How did you feel about the shoot overall? You know, like, you know.
It was fun. It was a little cold out here.
A little cold. Hey, she still pushed through.
Yeah,
she did
what?
her thing. She got smacked by running water with the water a little bit, but.
And I got chased by birds.
And she got chased by birds. We got that BTS. We're probably gonna roll that right now. What happened? What y'all feeding the doves, bro? Y'all fed them?
That's around me.
They see that dark chocolate skin, man. You know, overall, I appreciate you for coming through. It was a great shoot. This definitely ain't gonna be the last official one. We definitely gonna do something way better than this, for sure. If I can catch her, you know, she been everywhere around the world. But we ain't tripping though. C Visions, we out here. Shout out to A1A, shout out to Ray behind the cameras, and shout out to Lane behind the scenes. We out here. Hope y'all enjoy. Got something from the video.